Yes, hello everyone. So I'm Frederic from OpenCascade. Can you see my screen?
Yes, perfect, Frederic.
This one. So yes, as Donald explained, so the main application runs in a browser. So here you can see I'm using Chrome, and by entering this URL, you will access to the main application. So then you can start to log in. And when you log in, then first you will arrive to the dashboard where you can access the main features of the application. So basically to manage project, to access catalogs, logs is something that is not implemented yet, and documentation. So documentation, you can access directly full documentation of the project, of all modules. Catalogs, as Donald explained, is specific modules where you can access generic data that can be managed by several, that can be used in one or several modules. For example, a list of cables and so on, and you can extend this list by adding new values or editing existing ones. And then, sorry. And then what will interest you more is the project. So here, a project is the main concept of the application. It regroups all the information that are related to your real project. So you start by giving a name. You can add a picture or a logo if you have one. You need to define the type of technology you want to work with, so Wave or Tidal. Type of device, in fact, we will remove that because it will be asked by a specific module. So then the project is created, and now I can open it. If you deploy, if you have several users, so you can share your project with your colleagues, for example. So here I can register this user as a co-editor of this project. And then you can define the study. So inside the project, you can have one or several studies, and a study corresponds to a run of one or several tools. Basically, you can try different design on an assessment to check what is best for your project. So there are two tabs. Each one corresponds to one type of study. The first one is standalone. So basically, it means that you just want to use one tool. You have a very specific need, and or you want a quick to make a quick design, or have a quick to run some tools to just have a quick view of a project. And design assessment study is where you can run all the tools together. So first, you will need to select to use the the first two tools, which are site and machine. So you can select an existing site if you already characterize a site for another project, for example, or same for machine. So you can either select one or create an existing one. For example, I will for site I will create a new site, and we will see later with Yuen or Nicola how it works. And for machine, I can select an existing one, for example. And once I have done this, I can now create a study for design and assess. So you can put a short description for example, initial design. And then I can open this study, and here now I have all the different tools which are available, and I can start opening those tools. So I need to instantiate those tools, so I can create For example, something for the energy capture module. So here I can use default values. And then now I can open this tool. And then I can continue by doing the same for other modules. So create an entity, and then I will. So for example, now I can open the site. So now it opens the site tools that we will speak now with Yuen and Nicolas.